My name is Michelle. I am a software engineer at Aliro for almost 2 years now. And I was born and raised in Venezuela, in Caracas, Venezuela. And like, that's the cool picture you can see on the background. Well, I studied computer science here in Venezuela. And then I started working on mostly startups, doing web development, eventually full stack development. And then I took other different kinds of roles. But then I think at some point in my life, I think it was when I started taking some philosophy courses on the university, where I started, asking these questions of, okay, what reality really is. And then eventually I understood that most of that is being studied by quantum physicists, and, it's described by quantum in a way. So that was definitely like really interesting to me. When we look at, okay, how do we make this a reality? Then you realize there's so much more, like the hardware, and for example, which is a big part in what we do. And it's amazing to see, okay, we don't have this device yet. Then we need to wait for someone to develop a product, and we then get to test it. And it's something that didn't exist before. So I think all those things are really cool and amazing, and keep me really motivated to do what I do. We work in this environment where all of us have ideas, all of us, make our effort, and we really are pushing the boundaries. And that is also amazing. It's a constant, challenge to work, to do the work, and to be, you're always challenged. I find myself always being challenged by something on my work. And I think one of the biggest accomplishments for me is that now, like, I have, I feel more confident in what I do. And I think the fact of being at Aliro has given me that confidence, along with, me pushing, to really do the work. And that's not an easy thing to do, at least for me. So I really feel, proud that I'm here doing what I do, surrounded by the people. As a team, we're growing so fast, and that talks a lot about us and what we do, and it validates also that what we're doing is something useful. So I just think, that's the biggest accomplishment to me. So I wanted to be an architect, and I used to do these blueprints of everything. And then, didn't happen. Mostly just music, electronic music all the way. That's my favorite genre. I used to listen to this podcast called Preposterous Universe from Sean Carroll. Mm-hmm. That's, one of my all-time favorites. But mostly really just music. Coffee, 100%. Cake. Okay, I like a lot of different kinds of foods. I would say sushi. To me, personally, I would say two things. The first one, so we as humans are children of nature. And I think nature is such a mystery to us. And I believe that if we want to have a better like human existence and relationship with everything, it's better if we understand it the best we can. And for me, one of the important things of quantum tech is that it allows you to discover more things in quantum, like how I remember Richard Feynman saying that if you want to understand quantum, you need quantum technology, and I think that's one of the main things, or like to me, one of the most important things in with quantum tech, right? Understanding, trying to understand what like where we live in, like who, what we're made of, etc. Right? All those questions. And on the other hand, I would say that quantum tech is really important to like, it's going to be revolutionize a lot of fields, but one of the most important fields to me is medicine. I think like medicine will be like understood, in a almost in a different way, and yeah, definitely by having a different concept of medicine in it's going to help humanity have a better existence. So to me, those are the most important things in quantum tech. Yeah, yeah.